Welcome back, guys. Today, I finally introduced my son to you guys. Austin, say hello to the YouTubers out there.
Hello.
He's a little camera shy. It's his first time. What are we going to make today?
Today we're going to make some kielbasa and rice.
Kielbasa and rice. And actually, it's the first time I'm surprised he said kielbasa because I'm used to saying kielbasi and rice. But the package actually says kielbasa with an A. So kielbasa and rice. This is something I've been making for him for years and years and years. Is it like a favorite of yours or what?
Yeah, it's always a staple to our dinners weekly. It's so good.
We're going to change it up though because this is YouTube. I can't just do a pre-seasoned packet of rice and add the kielbasa. We're going to change it up. I know you're not too thrilled about the onions.
I hate onions.
He doesn't like onions, but this is YouTube. I got to spice it up a bit. So we're going to change it up from our normal way of making it. So let's get started here on Cook!
Don't be lazy!
So for the first step, we need to slice up an onion. Since Austin doesn't like onions, we're just going to do a little bit of onion. Look at him struggle. Look at this amateur struggling. Don't cut your fingers off, dude. Alright, so just a little bit of onion we're just going to slice up. Alright, put that away. Put it away in the bowl. That's enough onion.
I hate onions.
He's crying because the onions made him cry.
I hate onions.
Slice just a little bit of onions. He's already crying. Come on, cry baby. Alright, once you're done wiping your eyes from crying from the onions, cut up a kielbasa. Show them how you're cutting it. Show them, pick up one of those slices so they can see. Down. Right there, just like that. Alright, go ahead and keep cutting. Not too thick. Yeah, those parts look a little weird around the curve. Try to go back to the that other shape. We're almost done with our prep work. Not too thick.
Alright, now that the prep work is done, we're going to get ourselves a frying pan. We're going to set our stove to 6. And we're going to throw our kielbasa in the frying pan.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to fry this until all sides are brown, which is roughly going to take 6, 7, 8 minutes or so with an occasional stir here and there. But you know what, let's go ahead and throw in the onion too. So we want nice charred onion. Give that a stir. Alright, we're good for now. So every 2 or 3 minutes, we're just going to give it a stir. We're going to cook this down until it's all browned up. So we forgot we need to throw in some mushrooms. So we're using baby Bella mushrooms that are already pre-sliced. Throw in some more, man. Don't be scared. There you go. Wait, how much? Not all of it. Alright, that's good. That's good. Stir it. Yeah, we want to make sure we get those mushrooms in there early on too. I almost forgot about the mushrooms. Like I said, guys, I'm not used to making it this way. This is the first time I've ever made it this way. This is part of the experimentation. But it sounded good in my head, so why not? Let's make it a video and see what happens. Alright, let it rest for a couple minutes and then we'll stir it again. Alright, so we're about 7 minutes into frying. We've done browned it. Let's get our rice. We're going to use a cup of long grain rice. So throw it in there. Now we need to use some water. A cup and 3/4 of water. Try to slowly pour it in. You can do a little bit faster than that. Don't be scared. And this is why I do what I do, to teach this youngin how to do it. Stir it real quick. Alright, that's good. Let's get our seasonings. Cumin. Oh, I always show the camera what we're doing. Oh, can we get it in there? Ground cumin. How much?
Just eyeball it.
That's right. Do it from the other angle with your right hand. Keep going. I'll tell you when. We're going to eyeball it, but keep going. This much rice requires about this much cumin. That's good. What are you grabbing next? Garlic powder. No, go down a little. I know you can't see the camera. There we go. Garlic powder. We're going to eyeball it. Other hand. That's good.
We're going to do some Sazon.
Can you open it? Alright, this is just a little bit. That's it. Sazon's just a little bit that's used for coloring.
And then we're going to finish it up with some seasoning salt.
That's right. This is going to be roughly the same amount as the cumin. That's about good. So cumin and the seasoning salt, stir it slowly so it doesn't spill. So the cumin and the seasoning salt are roughly the same amounts. A little bit less on the garlic powder and just a little bit on that Sazon. As you can see, it's already changing color. We just need that Sazon to turn it more into an orange color. So we're just going to stir this up, make sure all the seasonings are blended in. And yeah, you're good. So go ahead and cover it up. This is boiling. We're still at a 6. We're going to cover it up, drop the stove down to a 1.
So how long are we cooking this for?
We're going to cook this for about 20 to 25 minutes. We just want that rice to cook now. After that,
it's time to plate up. That was going good.
He's mad because this is our second take. I messed up on the first take, but oh well. This kid is hungry, he's eating, he's pigging out. He didn't really want to wait for us to say goodbye. Is it edible?
It's really good.
It's edible.
It's really good.
Kid approved. I need to stop calling you a kid because you're actually a young adult now, so my bad. You're my kid, he's my kid. Anyways, I see you got a puzzle going here. How many pieces is it? Don't eat with your mouth full.
It's 2,000 pieces.
2,000 pieces. How long have you been working on it for?
For a few weeks now.
A few weeks. You got a long way to go.
Yeah.
We really, as you can see, we really don't have a proper eating place because this puzzle here is taking up most of the, it's taking up the entire kitchen table. But we'll make it work. We'll make it work. Anyways, do you plan on making this yourself one day or what?
Yeah, I do. It's really simple. It takes a couple of minutes. It's really easy.
It's real quick and simple to make. It's not exactly how he's used to me making it, but this is the first time we made it this way for the purpose of YouTube. So, I guess all that's left to say is we'll see you guys next week here on
Cook! Don't be lazy!